Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you the tutorial on turning Joaquin Phoenix into Joker on PicsArt. First, select a portrait of Joaquin to start off the process. Go to Effects and select Black and White High Contrast. Now with the eraser, erase the effect from the image, excluding the face. To make it look like a mask, make sure to erase the effect on his ears and eyes as well. Click Done. Then go to Effects again and select Ivory. And with the eraser, repeat the process. Click Done. Moving on, go to Stickers and search Red Background. Select the one as shown. Now decrease the opacity for placement convenience. Place it over his nose and make sure it covers his entire jaw. Increase the opacity and blend and multiply the sticker. Then with the eraser, erase the excess. Leaving the image with a red nose and a wide red smile as shown. Click Done. Go to Stickers and search Blue Background. Select the one shown on his screen and place it around the eye area. Blend and multiply the sticker. And as before, erase the excess. Make sure to mimic the triangles above and below the eyes of Joker with this. Use the eraser with low opacity and hardness to fade out the blue, making it look more realistic. Click Done. Now go to Draw. Adjust the brush size and opacity and click OK. Tap and hold on the image to pick the color red. With this, draw in fake eyebrows. And use the eraser to define its shape. Keep in mind that you don't have to be precise. The more distressed it is, the more it adds to the Joker is finally ready. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.